Hi, in this episode of the Wunderbar Marketing Efficiency Show, I'm going to share tactics with you for how to grow in video confidence. These 3 tips will have you record videos with ease in no time. Then towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you 2 tactics which really helped me to unleash my inner Amy Schmittauer, or Amy Landino, how she's called now. In this video, I'm going to share tips with you of how you can grow in confidence so that you can reach hundreds or even potentially thousands of people with your videos, even though you might just have a small audience to start with. My name is Nicole from Lollipop Social, and this is Wunderbar, the Marketing Efficiency Show. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to this channel. Now let's tuck into the sweet stuff. Figure out what holds you back with video. What are your fears? And then let's work on your fears step by step. Here are 4 misconceptions and fears I've had which really held me back and made me procrastinate. This video is all about helping you grow in video confidence, so I'm going to share with you how I overcame these fears. I hated the sound of my own voice on video, and I even thought my bum would look big on camera. I assumed that I would need really expensive equipment, so I never actually started. I worried I had nothing interesting to say. Honestly, I can carry on with this list, but this video is all about helping you to grow in confidence. So what did I say about needing expensive equipment? Well, you'd be really surprised. People don't expect Hollywood type of productions. So all you need in the beginning to get started is a smartphone, a lapel microphone, some lights or even just daylights, and a tripod. Now, next point about hating the sound of my own voice. Well, when I was talking to Madeleine Sklar, she actually said that many people have this fear. And she said the best way to get over it is just to do it, to just record videos. One amazing thing you can really do to help you with overcoming this fear is to pick a video buddy, create a private Facebook group with the person you've chosen, and just record videos every day. Right, here are 6 assignments you and your video buddy can do easily. So take a picture of them now and post them on social. Tell your friend what you wanted to be when you grew up. Pick a question you frequently get asked by your clients and choose 3 tips which will help you address their questions. Share a story about why you set up your business. Go on camera outside, maybe while you're walking your dog or going for a walk, and just talk about your next upcoming blog. Tell a story about how you helped a client. Interview each other. Just smile into the camera. Talk to it like if it's your best friend, and your video fears will disappear in no time. Now, the next worry might be that you have nothing interesting to say, and honestly, I hear this a lot. So how can you find something interesting to say? Think of the last conversation you had with a client or someone who you would like to become one of your clients. What kind of questions did they pose to you? Then use those questions and come up with some answers. And that would be a fantastic video you can already start recording today. You don't have to record an entire essay. People don't have that kind of attention span any longer. Just use an app like Clips or CLIPOMATIC to create a short, snappy video sharing your key tips. And if you're really worried about how you come across, how your voice sounds, why not jump onto Twitter and post a video reply? Those are very short messages. I think it's about 20 seconds. You know, you can thank one of your followers for sharing your content, and actually it makes you stand out on the busy Twitter feed in a good way. So go onto Twitter, post a video reply, maybe for 20 days, and it will really help you grow in confidence. To come up with content ideas which will resonate with your audience, make sure that you've nailed who your user personas are, who are your ideal customers, what are they interested in, what are their challenges and questions, and then that way your content ideas will be really relevant. Look at my website where I have actually blogs on all of these tips and helping you to nail your brand values, nail your user personas. So go on, have a quick look, but come back. Here's a nice little sugar high bonus tip for you. When I first started out, I simply repurposed some of my most popular blogs. It was really easy just to take the written content and turn them into videos, but it also meant that I could own the message and deliver the video with a bit of oomph. So why not go back into your most popular blogs and repurpose them as videos? So here are my 6 tips for helping you to grow in video confidence in a very efficient way. If video could support your overall marketing strategy, don't miss out on the many marketing benefits it offers. just start your video learning journey today. If fear is holding you back, identify what those fears are and start owning them and tackling them one by one. Join supportive communities or create a private Facebook even with a video learning buddy to just start growing your confidence by practicing. Outsource where it makes sense. So if you don't like the editing side of things, there are lots of people who can help you, and I will actually put one link to someone I know as a great video editor in the comments field. Everyone will try and teach you video skills differently. Figure out what is your learning style and look for resources which fit your learning style. And here are now the 2 sweet tips I promised you in the beginning, which helped me instantly to grow in video confidence. I looked at a couple of people I really admired and I searched for some of their earlier videos, and it really made me realize that we all have to start somewhere. And I stopped comparing myself to them now because, they've been into their video journey for 3 or 4 years. Earlier I said I was really worried about how I would look on video. Well, one day I jumped on video when I had just washed my hair. So I was actually just sitting there with wet, dripping hair, no makeup, nothing. I think I hadn't even brushed my teeth. And once I did that, it meant that the next time I went on video, it was so much easier because I'd actually spent a little bit of time on brushing my hair, brushing my teeth, putting on a little bit of makeup, maybe a little bit like now. So just go on camera without anything, and the next time you will feel so much more comfortable. A quick sweet sugar high bonus tip here, I batch film. So to save time on the whole video setup and makeup and hair, I'll just record a couple of videos in one go. So that's a really good way of recording your videos in a German efficient way. Do you want to inject the sugar high into your marketing and social media? Sign up to the Sugar Rush to receive weekly free marketing and social media tips, which will help you get sweet results. This is Nicole from Lollipop Social with Wunderbar, the Marketing Efficiency Show. Here is your growing in video confidence checklist, so take a sweet screenshot now and share it with your social networks.